Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I, Abhishek Shukla, your ICT instructor from Cambridge International School, Dasua. Once again, I welcome you all to today's e-learning session. And before we proceed our session, I hope you all must enjoyed the lessons and I hope you all must understood the concepts. So, with the hope that you all might understand the concepts delivered by the teachers, so let's begin with the today's session. Let's recap the things which we discussed in last session. We discussed in our last session about the introduction of ICT, Information and Communication Technologies, the role and importance of ICT in daily life, where we discuss the role of ICTs in education, in medical, and in businesses. So, let's move on or move ahead with today's session. What we are going to discuss by today. Today, we are going to discuss about the tools which are used in ICT. The basic and the very first tool which are used in ICT we all know is computers and laptops. But there are many instead of computers and laptop which we are inculcating in day-to-day life for interaction, for communication, for information and for entertainment. And those tools are smartphones, tablets, radio, television and email. ICT tools. ICT tools are digital devices that are used to communicate information with others. These include mass communication ICTs like press, radio and television, as well as interactive ICTs like computers, laptops, desktops, tablets, smartphones, data projectors, software programs and emails. So let us learn about few of the ICT tools. Smartphones. Students, I don't think that anyone around the world in today's time are not aware of this ICT tool, because this is the one and the foremost tool in ICT. We begin our day with this tool and we end up our day with the same tool. Let's discuss about smartphone. A smartphone, a popular ICT tool, is a multi-purpose mobile computing device that has features of mobile phone as well as computers. And this is the only reason why these phones are called as smartphone. Having a rechargeable battery and touchscreen feature, it allows user to make voice and video calls, send text messages and emails, capture images and videos, play games, play media, and connect to internet services through cellular, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi network. And let's discuss some basic uses of smartphone. What are the purposes and what are the uses of smartphone for student and for teacher and for XYZ person. Smartphones are effective learning tools for students. Student can use smartphones for the following purposes. The first is to download and read e-books, journals, magazines, newspapers, etc. Next is to communicate with their teachers, classmates or friends through emails, SMS, instant messaging, social networking, voice and video calling, etc. Similar like we are discussing right now with the use of ICT, with the use of smartphones, laptops and computers. To send or receive multimedia documents like PDFs, like videos, like audios, etc., that are meant for educational purposes. Last but not the least is to access the internet to serve thousands of educational sites on the www and so on. www are the protocols which we need to apply while we are surfing website. That's it for the uses of smartphones. There are many other uses as well which you can easily define by yourself. Let's move on to the next ICT tool. Tablet, another ICT tool which is a mixture of smartphones and laptop. It is very much handy in comparison of laptop, and it is very much effective in comparison of smartphones. A tablet computer, or simply a tablet, is a portable handheld computers that provide mobile device facility with a rechargeable battery. Having an 8-inch or larger LCD touch enabled screen, it resembles a smartphone and uses an on-screen keyboard or a physical keyboard to enter input. Tablet can be used to access the internet, to read the contents, to send emails, for playing video games, for listen to music, watch videos, read e-contents, for chatting and use applications and much more. The same task which you can accomplish on your smartphones or on your computers or on your laptops can be accomplished by using these devices. These devices operated with a rechargeable battery, and you can attach more peripheral devices with the tablet. Now let us discuss about some features of tablets, that why we need a tablet. Why to get tablet or the uses of tablet? They are so light and portable. Whether you like getting work done or getting entertained on the go, tablets offer one clear advantage: they are portable. Second is you can get connected anywhere. This makes tablet particularly handy for professionals, whether you need to check emails, edit documents on the cloud, or just stay up to date with the latest news in your industry. A tablet can help you get it done anywhere. Third, a tablet is more affordable than a laptop. These days, it seems like having a home computer is compulsory. During this lockdown period, you all know that technology plays a vital role. But actually, if you are only using your computer for light web browsing, some email, Facebook, and Netflix, a tablet might do just as your computer or laptop. Next is tablet wake up instantly. Most laptop computers generally take around 10 to 30 seconds or more time to start up. However, the initial startup on a tablet take less time. Once powered on, a tablet can wake up from a sleep mode instantaneously. Next is they make excellent portable entertainment system. When it comes to entertainment, entertainment means either we want to play games, we want to listen to the music, we want to surf the websites, or we want to watch videos. Tablet plays the best role in entertainment system. Next is they are great for web browsing. Portability and fast startup combine to make the tablet a first choice for quick web browsing. Especially when you are away from your desk, a good example would be looking up a recipe for a meal or for looking for your contents over net. Set up the tablet in your area, find the contents and go ahead. Last is they are handy for giving presentation. A rising trend in education is the use of tablets to run your projects. With projects on a tablet, it's relatively simple to share your contents with a large screen in class or XYZ place. So, these are the reasons that why one can get tablet or what are the plus points of tablet. Move ahead with the next ICT tool, which is radio, a technology that uses radio waves to carry information such as sound. When it comes to radio, it is called as single media device where we can get audio only. The radio waves are transmitted through a transmitter and received through a radio receiver or the devices which we called radio. The radio also needs an antenna to transmit and receive radio waves. At the receiving end, the broadcast waves are received and their information sound is amplified through the radio or radio receiver. Being a traditional means of mass communication since the early 20th century, the device has been used to transmit programs related to government schemes, news, entertainment, education, used in healthcare department, etc. The programs are broadcast by different radio stations. This ICT tool can be used by a student to listen to the news, interviews, educational programs on various subjects. This also plays a vital role in the betterment of our listening skills. We can improve our listening skills with the use of radio. Let's move on to the next ICT tool, which is television or TV. This ICT tool comes under the category of VDU, which means Visual Display Unit, where we get the contents on the display. Let's understand this tool. Television or TV is a traditional means of mass communication that has been in use since the earlier 20th century. It is an audio-visual device, unlike radio, that people use to watch news, educational and entertainment programs like serials, movies, sports, etc. that are broadcast on various television channels. Today, the television is an important ICT tool that teachers, students, journalists, and researchers use to enhance their knowledge on various topics. And not only television, nowadays we have the number of types of television, like you all must aware of LCD, LED, plasma, OLED, curved TV. All these are the types of the television. Let's have a brief introduction of the types of monitors for visual or the types of television. You can see the names of different types of television on your screen: CRT, LCD, LED, plasma, OLED. Let's have a brief intro about these. CRT, cathode ray tube, is the oldest style of TV where the monitors are so bulky and chunky. Next is LCD. LCD are the thin displays normally used in laptops and in computers monitor. The term LCD stands for liquid crystal display. Next is LED. Contrary to a popular belief, LED TVs are not a completely new format of TV. Instead, they are simply an update version of LCD. Where in LCD we use liquid crystal display, in LED we use illuminating fluorescent bulb. Next is plasma. Plasma screen are made up of two sheets of glass with a mixture of gases stored between the layers. There are two layers of the glasses in plasma TV, and there are some gases stored between the layers, and the pictures or the content formed due to the glow of those gases. OLED. OLED is massive leap forward in screen technology. OLED stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode and uses organic materials like carbon to create light when supplied directly by an electric current. And that's why the OLED screen is thinner, more flexible, and faster at processing images. Move ahead with the last ICT tool in the list is email. Email stands for electronic mail, a system of sending and receiving text or multimedia messages via computer, smartphone, or any other modern electronic device that uses the internet. Since these messages are sent through electronic devices, they are also called as electronic mails or emails. These days, email systems allow us to attach and send documents such as PDF, images, audio, video, or multimedia content for communication. Let's understand some uses of email. Using email is fast and the cheapest mean of communication. Because it is written, you can compose and review your message before sending. Emails are ideal for international communication like expense, problem reaching colleagues, differences in time zone. All for these email is ideal. Next is ability to include or attach files, documents, pictures, and multimedia contents. You can check your email from any computer in the world. Example, while visiting from a hotel room, while sitting in XYZ room, while traveling from one place to another place, etc. Messages easily archivable and storable in a database. Search by sender, date, subject, or put into separate mailboxes. These are the uses of email. And that's the end of today's session 2. Now, let's conclude today's session. In today's session, we discussed about various ICT tools like smartphones, tablets, radio, television, and email. You people will be getting worksheet. You have to solve the worksheet attached with the video. Now it's time to say goodbye. Take care of your health and have a nice day.